How to add video in YouCut. First of all, make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed the YouCut app on your device, and once it's installed, open it up to begin the process. Now, to start adding your video, tap on the large plus sign located on the main screen of the app. This action will immediately open your gallery, where all the videos you have previously saved or recorded are stored. Select the video you want to add by tapping on it. Once selected, the video will automatically open in the editing timeline, allowing you to start working on it. Next, you can adjust the length of the video to suit your needs. To do this, simply drag the edges of the clip to trim the video or position it exactly where you want it within the timeline. If you wish to add additional clips or merge multiple videos, simply tap the plus sign again and repeat the same process of selecting and adding new clips to your timeline. You can also enhance your video by adding various effects, music, or text. The app offers a wide range of customization options that allow you to make your video more dynamic and engaging. Once you are satisfied with the changes and the final version of your video, tap the Save button to export and finalize your project. And that's it. Now you know how to add video in YouCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.